That night, Jace was cold, hungry, and far from home.
I want to go home, but I do not know the way.
I am sorry. I did not listen to you. That morning, Jace changed his clothes, but he did not clean his room.
I will clean it later. I want to play now.
Jace used many things, but he did not put them back.
Jace, please put your clothes in the basket.
No, Mom. I am not a baby. I can choose.
A clean room helps you feel calm.
It is only a small mess. It is not bad.
Small messes can become big problems, Jace.
I want fun first. Work can wait.
Do one small job first. Then you can play.
I do not want rules. Rules make me tired.
Mom felt sad, but Jace still did not understand.
Jace, it is study time. I can help you read. I do not want to read. This game is more fun. We can read 5 words. Then you can rest. No, I know enough. I do not need help. I only want to help you because I love you. Stop talking. I want my game, not homework.
Maya knew Jace needed help, so she went to Mom and Dad.
Jace will not study. He only plays on the tablet.
We must talk to him with calm words first.
The family tried to help Jace before the problem grew.
Jace, study helps you grow strong and smart.
You all tell me what to do. I do not like it.
We love you. We only want to help you.
This is my room. I can keep it this way. When you make a mess, we all feel tired. I am going out. I do not want to listen.
Jace, stop. Please talk with us first. Jace left home with anger in his heart.
I can walk alone. I am not scared.
He is still a child. We must find him soon.
I will check the street. You stay near the house.
I did not want to make him angry.
Outside, Jace saw a happy family, but he looked away.
That child listens fast. I never listen fast.
Step by step, Jace walked farther from home.
This street is new. I do not know this place. No, not now. Please do not turn off.
Now Jace had no game, no map, and no plan.
Jace is not answering. We need to keep looking.
His chair is empty. I cannot eat like this.
When he comes back, I will help him gently.
The stores were closed, and the street felt strange.
I do not know this bus. I do not know where to go.
The wind grew cold, and the sky became dark.
Thunder is coming. I need a safe place now.
Rain started softly, then it became stronger.
I must stay dry. I must find cover quickly.
Jace found a small roof, but he was still cold.
My stomach hurts. I did not eat dinner.
For the first time, Jace felt how lonely anger could be.
Dad was right. Small problems can become big.
He remembered his messy room and his angry words.
Please put your clothes away after school.
Mom helped me, but I did not help her. We can read 5 words. Then you can rest. Mia was kind. I was not kind to her.
Please talk with us first.
I wanted my way. Now I am alone.
The long night passed slowly, and Jace fell asleep. Morning came, but Jace was still far from home.
I am very hungry. I need food and help.
He saw a family eating warm food together.
They eat together. I miss my family so much. I have no money. I cannot buy food.
Jace saw a child help with one small job.
I did not help at home. I made everyone tired.
He remembered every shirt, every book, and every mess.
I said bad words. I hurt Mom and Dad. Maya wanted to help me. I pushed her away.
His body was weak, and his steps became slow.
I feel dizzy. I need my family now.
Jace tried to walk, but he could not stay strong. Someone saw Jace and called for help.
Help came quickly, and Jace was finally safe.
At the hospital, Jace was safe, warm, and cared for.
We found him. He is here.
Thank you. You are safe now. We are here with you.
You can rest first. We can study later together. I was wrong. I was scared. I missed you. I can do small jobs. Small jobs help my family.